You're watching V8X, where power meets perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the all-new Sunny Trail 2025, redefining what luxury travel truly means. From the very first moment, the Sunny Trail stands apart, bold, elegant, and unmistakably premium. Its mustard yellow body glows like golden sunlight, reflecting both adventure and sophistication. Up front, the sleek chrome grille anchors the design, framed by ultra-sharp LED headlights that project a sense of motion even when still. The lines flow gracefully from nose to tail, sculpted for both aerodynamics and aesthetic harmony. Along the sides, the panoramic tinted windows extend like ribbons of glass, giving the motorhome an airy, expansive feel. Subtle chrome details trace its contours, emphasizing craftsmanship and modernity, while polished alloy wheels complete its poised stance. At the rear, the design maintains perfect symmetry. LED taillights curve seamlessly into the frame, and the aerodynamic edges convey balance, stability, and refinement. Every inch of the Sunny Trail's exterior feels intentional, combining utility and luxury into one striking silhouette. Step inside, and the world transforms into pure tranquility. The driver's cabin is a masterpiece of ergonomic design. A sweeping panoramic windshield frames the horizon ahead, while the soft leather steering wheel and digital cockpit create an atmosphere of effortless control. Every surface feels crafted with precision, every button placed with purpose. The ambient lighting glows softly, turning the drive into a cinematic experience. Behind the cockpit, the living lounge offers a sanctuary on wheels, cream-toned sofas set against warm wooden flooring, illuminated by golden LED strips that create a cozy yet futuristic ambience. The dining area follows naturally, with a glass table and sculpted chairs surrounded by soft ceiling light, perfect for elegant dinners on the go. The kitchen is compact yet refined, fitted with induction surfaces, LED-lit counters, and seamless cabinetry that hides luxury appliances within minimalist design. Step farther back, and the bedroom suite welcomes you with serenity. A queen-sized bed framed by silk curtains, golden lights washing the space in calm tones, and soft textures that whisper comfort. On the highways of the USA, the Sunny Trail 2025 glides with composure and confidence. Its refined powertrain delivers smooth, silent acceleration, and the advanced suspension ensures every mile feels effortless. Priced well above the $1 million mark, it's a rolling statement of taste and innovation. This is the Sunny Trail 2025, the ultimate expression of comfort, design, and freedom on wheels. You're watching V8X, your gateway to the world's most extraordinary machines. Like, share, and subscribe for more.